In a single second, a soccer player can accelerate from 0 to 45 km/h. Imagine a world where athletes can accelerate, decelerate, and change direction in a split second. This is the realm of sports, where the fastest, strongest, and most agile individuals compete for glory. From the gridiron to the basketball court, and from the soccer pitch to the track, sports are a spectacle like no other. They captivate audiences worldwide with their raw power, lightning-fast reflexes, and heart-stopping moments. But have you ever wondered what makes these athletes tick? What secrets lie behind their incredible speed, strength, and agility? The answer lies in the science of sports, where biomechanics, physiology, and psychology come together to create the ultimate sporting experience. Let's take a closer look at some of the most awe-inspiring sports highlights of all time, like the record-breaking 100-meter dash, where sprinters can reach speeds of up to 45 km/h in just 9.58 seconds, or the bicycle kick, where a soccer player can flip their body 360 degrees in midair to score a goal.
But that's not the strangest part. What's even more incredible is the amount of training and preparation that goes into creating these incredible moments.
WTH athletes spend years honing their skills, building their strength, and perfecting their technique. They push their bodies to the limit, testing their endurance, speed, and agility in the pursuit of excellence. And it's not just physical mental toughness, focus, and determination are just as crucial as physical strength. The science of sports is a fascinating world where the boundaries of human performance are constantly being pushed. From the Olympics to the World Cup, and from the Super Bowl to the NBA Finals, sports are a global phenomenon. They bring people together, inspire us to be our best, and provide a platform for athletes to showcase their talents. But what happens when we take a closer look at the science behind these incredible moments? We discover the intricate dance of biomechanics, physiology, and psychology that makes sports so captivating. We see how the body responds to stress, how muscles adapt to training, and how the mind prepares for competition. And we're left with a newfound appreciation for the incredible feats of athleticism on display. The science of sports is a never-ending journey of discovery, where the pursuit of excellence knows no bounds. So, let's continue to explore the wonders of sports science and uncover the secrets that lie behind the most incredible moments in sports. From the fastest runners to the strongest lifters, and from the most agile gymnasts to the most precise shooters, every athlete has a unique story to tell, and every sport has its own set of challenges and triumphs. So, join me on this journey of discovery as we delve into the fascinating world of sports science. And remember, if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about sports science. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery, where the boundaries of human performance are constantly being pushed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.